Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of light motion you click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, we'll search about light motion. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.